mukama tonjabulira tobera wala nange hai katonda wange hai mukama omulokozi wange yanguwo kumbera forsake me not, O Lord, O my God, be not far from me. Make haste to help me, O Lord, my salvation. Chasten me in thy hot displeasure, for thine arrow stick fast in me, and thy hand presseth me sore. There is no soundness in my flesh because of thine anger, neither is there any rest in my bones because of my sin. For mine iniquities are gone over mine head, as an heavy burden they are too heavy for me. Ai mukama tone nyango kyaliko busungu obo kunkangavula ngolikwe kirui kubango busale bobunfumise nomugogo bunkubye nnyo obusungu bobundwaziza nzenna n'amagumba gange gona gansagala olw'ebyonono byange omusango gw'enziziza gwitiridde kunzitoerera ng'omugugo munene ogutetikika ebiwundu byange bitanyera biwunya olokonoona kwange obwo busirusiru seek after my life lay snares for me, and they that seek my hurt speak mischievous things, and imagine deceits all the day long. But I, as a deaf man, heard not, and I was as a dumb man that openeth not his mouth. Thus I was as a man that heareth not, and in whose mouth are no reproofs.
For in thee, O Lord,
Do I hope?
thou wilt hear, O Lord my God.
For I said,
Hear me
lest otherwise they should rejoice over me.
when my foot slippeth,
They magnify themselves against me,
for I'm ready to hope.
and my sorrow is continually before me. For I will declare mine iniquity, I will be sorry for my sin. Tobera wala nange ai mukama
Omulokozi wange,
yanguwa,
okumbera.
forsaking me not,
O Lord,
oh my God, be not far from me. Make haste to help me, oh Lord, my salvation.